What? Backfiring! Back brakes are like really dull. It feels like you're standing on a foot peg or something there. It's like it doesn't even want to move. Yeah, so the bike's cold as hell. So I am riding slowly. Feels lower than my R6. I wonder if it really is. I have to check my cheat sheet, my spec sheet on the thing, which you'll see randomly appear over there somewhere, and then I will do my review with my cheat sheet on my bike. Well, not my bike, a bike. Oh yeah, I keep on forgetting. It's got a quick shifter on it, and I still do the throttle closing opening thingy when I change gears, because I'm not used to that. My R6 doesn't have that. I'm old school that way. Broke. Bullshit. You just broke. Yeah, go over the light. Go over it, because I'm recording your bloody ass, you bastard. Does that again. Got a bit of a slide there, whee! That's why I don't trust this thing around corners yet. Huh? What's up, bird? Birdie, birdie. I'm giving the bike back today, which means I'm stranded without two wheels for a while, because I managed to run bearings on my R6. Let's use a fucking indicator. Dumbasses don't realize I'm recording them. See, I'm gonna be a model citizen because this robot doesn't make a lick of fucking sense. Fuck around. full acropovic system on it. Looks like from the front, not bad. See, there's a cover that's dangling down there from the mudguard. Don't know how that happened.